Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going over my September Walmart beauty box. If you're not familiar, this is a subscription box that comes quarterly. The last one I got was in June. March before that. They send you some sample items, some full-sized items, and the best part is it's $6.98. So I have fun checking out what Walmart has sent me, and I figured we'd go over that box together today. So if that sounds interesting, just keep watching. Before we get into the box, I do want to mention that my entire face of makeup is makeup that you can find at Walmart. I just thought that would be fun. I do a lot of shopping at Walmart. I can only assume that you do as well. I will say I have one new makeup item on today that is new to me, not new to the market. If you are a current subscriber, or if you happened to see the video where I talked about how I am investigating drugstore powders. I feel like blurring powders are all the rage right now. We are into the blur. And while I have some favorite high-ends, I am looking to find my favorite drugstore. And today I tried the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is their blur out powder. And I must say I am pretty amazed. I've had this makeup on for 3 hours now, and it's wearing beautifully. I have it on with the new Milani primer as well, the one that's like the Huda Beauty Blur Jam, and my face looks so smooth. I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned for that video. If you're not subscribed, be sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Let's check it out. You get a little flyer that says Fall for Beauty, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box, which by the way, this is not sponsored. I just like to share what I got. In here it says, meet your next obsessions, jumpstart your fall routine with the best in beauty for face, body, and hair. Shop these favorites and find ingredient information at walmart.com/beautybox. And it talks about some of the items that might be in my box. Now I did cheat. I do know what is in my box already. And the first one that we will talk about is this little guy right here. This is the Olay Cleansing Melt Plus Vitamin C. The full size of this has 32 of the melts and is $9.88 according to this paper. You know I'm going to post a picture as well. Daily facial cleanser that transforms the look and feel of skin without stripping. Water activated cleansing pads activate into a rich lather to clean, tone, and refresh skin. That seems really cool. I did notice online that they had other versions of these melts as well, if you would like to check those out. The next item is a little baby of the Nautica Bleu Eau de Toilette Spray. It is a men's fragrance, 1.2 mils. Features a cool blend of bergamot, water lily, and sandalwood. This is a little bit of a womp for me. My husband does not wear cologne. Just gonna spritz it a little. It smells fresh. And I just sprayed myself in the face. Awesome. Well, I guess I'll be smelling that all day. I will set that aside, and it will most likely go in the garbage. If I didn't mention the full size of this, it says on the Walmart website is $26.74. Next, I have a sample size of the Kristens Hair Strand Reconstructive Moisture Mask. Let's read about that. Deep conditioning hair treatment for dry damaged hair, sulfate-free, color plus keratin safe. This is a 0.9 ounce container. The full size is 1.98 ounces and retails for $14.97. I think right now it's on sale for $13.24. Directions say to use it once a week for extra shine and softness. For more intense treatment, apply, then cover with a plastic shower cap and allow to stay on for an hour. Rinse well. Will I reach for this? Maybe. Next, I have a full size of the Current State Peptide Caffeine Firming Eye Cream for dark circles and puffiness. It is a 0.5 ounce container, which apparently is the full size. It says on the Walmart website that it is $16.47. It is an ultra refreshing eye cream that replenishes dry skin and improves the look of bags, dark circles, and crow's feet while giving tired under eyes that got more sleep than you did look. Lightweight cream packed with Synake, a tripeptide complex that softens visible lines, caffeine to help wake up tired eyes, visibly reducing puffiness, and addressing discoloration, and nourishing plant butters to ensure your eyes are treated with TLC. I always like an eye cream, so this is the biggest winner so far. Next, I have a little sample pack. This is the, I'm not sure if you're supposed to say LU or LU, but it is the LatinUs Beauty Control Anti-Frizz Shampoo with Impossible Keratin. This is a 3-pack that's going to have the shampoo, conditioner, and styling cream. $12.97 a piece, so you could use them before and find out if you love them so that you can go to Walmart and pick them up. I think that is the purpose of this. I like to take this traveling. And the last product is this one from Degree. This is their Advanced Long-Lasting Women's Antiperspirant Deodorant Dry Spray in the scent Sexy Intrigue. It says here that it goes on instantly dry so you can face the day with confidence. Features a 72-hour sweat and odor protection and a heady scent of jasmine, red rose, Tahitian vanilla, and spicy amber. It's going to release a burst of subtle fragrance every time you move for non-stop protection. Oh, I like the idea. I wonder if you can keep an aerosol spray in your car. That's nice. And this is another thing great to take traveling or keep in your purse or maybe in your car. So this was a quick one. I got 5 items in my Walmart beauty box, 1 full size, 4 minis. Least favorite is gonna be this one from Nautica. Walmart, why would you send this to me? Not interested. Favorite is gonna be the eye cream, and because it retails for almost $17, that makes my $6.98 purchase worth it. And then the rest is bonus. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. If you are interested in the Walmart beauty box, I will have it linked in the description box below. I also pin a comment with all of this information. If you're interested in anything that is on my face, I do have a lot of Milani on right now. The Luminoso blush, the primer, the cream bronzer. I do have Lottie London's cream eyeshadow on my eyes. I love that stuff. It is just so good. I wish they had more colors. This is the only, I feel, pretty calm color, but everything can be found at Walmart, listed below. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.